of people don't.
So it's a laundry advanced system?
Yep.
Made in Massachusetts.
Yep. So this does your washing and drying all in one.
In the same drum?
In the same drum. I can do about 20 soldiers in one drum. About an hour and a half, 2 hours.
So washing and drying, yeah, that's fast.
To finish it all up. And then with this, once it does the drying and does that tumble, it gets a lot of, because it's got the airbags, the cushion bags underneath it, so it does jump a lot when you're going through your heating one. So you gotta sort of stagger these, because you can't have them both bounce at the same time. But basically I gotta wait half an hour after I start one to start the next one, so they're not in the same cycles at the same time. Take care of a battalion pretty fast, usually a 24-hour turnaround.
Yeah, this is great that you brought this.
We put detergent in, same thing as the regular one. We have our squirts of detergent we put in. And then if it starts foaming up, we have an AFT foam to take down the foam.
Where do you put the detergent?
Detergent, well, we have a 5-gallon bucket. And basically it's just like a squeeze thing. So we're putting it on one of the bags with the detergent. You put too much on, then it's going to really start to foam up. So we don't want it to foam too much. You can see over right down the side face here how many airlines you're dealing with. So if something's wrong, it's going to be the air lines or the water lines. So these are our lint filters. So we got one for that one and one for this one. 254 unit. We're out of York, PA. The reserves.